Hey guys, so we are day number 6. So today I slept. I did not plan on sleeping all day, but I did. So it's kind of getting dark outside now, which is not what I wanted to do, work in the situation. So today, let's start with the book. I started reading this. I'm deep. I'm about 118 pages in. I am enjoying this. So Yinka, Where Is Your Husband? It's just a story that is unfortunate, where some culture where marriage is the goal of a woman, and when you're 31 and you're not married, that's a problem. So you end up with aunties or mothers that try to push the marriage situation. And so you have Yinka, who is now, her sister is much younger, 5 years younger. She's married, expecting a child. Then you have all these other people who, are in her age range. And then she had a relationship that did not end well, heartbroken, still really affected by it. And now he's back in town again, engaged, about to get married. So now she's having to pretend and try to find a date for this wedding that she's going to be a part of, in a circle that they're in. So it's actually entertaining, but it's also a lot of it where I can relate, because I do have a mother who always embarrass me when she gets the opportunity and she meets a guy that she thinks is a good material, and she'll just start questioning the man about if he's single, married, that kind of stuff. And sometimes I'm there. So I'm reading this like smiling and laughing, because I'm like, yeah, I know this feeling. So far I'm enjoying it. I just want to know what kind of shenanigans she's gonna do, because there's this particular guy that's in there now, and that she finds attractive but also have motive. So we'll see how that work out. So this morning I went to the store and got the box that I'm gonna pack the giveaway stuff in. And there's some other stuff I need to work on to put in the giveaway box that I'm not going to share, because I want the person to be surprised, because they do watch this video, my vlogs. And then I got some shelf, but before that I got these cubby holders for drawers, and so that's going to be good for my storage. And I pick up a new shelf, which, let me move the camera so you guys can see it. So I picked up this shelf I'm going to put together for the storage in the closet. I got some lights, because the closet do not have any lights, because it's a small closet. And then I also got this that I'm going to use for storage, to put stuff in that's gonna have space. I bought a few the other day and I used them for my comforter, but I got some really big ones from Home Depot. I don't know the quality of this yet, so we're gonna test it out today, and that's gonna help with that closet, because this is a huge closet. This closet goes from that wall till about where the TV is, and then that closet is super small. So I am hoping to do some organizing, because I have stuff everywhere on this loft, and it's starting to get to me, because this is my nook. This is my space, and I want to be able to like not have things everywhere. And so the goal is this couple of days is to organize here. Then I need to do some plant treatment, because I there's a funeral for one of my plants. I've had that plant maybe for 2 years now, and I'm not sure what happened, but it lost the battle. So I'm going to be doing a lot of that too. I need to figure out my plant area, because you guys can see I have a lot of plants over here. So yeah, and then on this coffee table is another tragedy, because I have a lot of this going on. It's a lot of candles all over, like all over. So I need to remove this. This is just getting out of control, and I need to figure out to store these away. I also have, let's see if I can zoom in so you guys can see. I have also that container that has let's see, that container has a lot of my gadgets and stuff that I need to also organize. So that's the goal. All right, guys, so that's what I'm gonna do this evening tonight because it's late, and then I'm gonna go back to reading that book. So that's a gist for today. Today's probably gonna be a short one because I started so late, but I'm okay. I got the rest, so tomorrow I can actually start on a regular time with daytime, because the light in this video is probably not going to be the best. Unfortunate. I think I might have to put in my box light because the light is not going to be the greatest right now. But that's where we at, and I will check in. I'm going to get something to eat, and then I will check in and start building this thing. Yeah. So the light I bought is pretty bright. So I think, let's see the back. Okay, so this is the light feature. So let's see, that's the lower dim. I guess it's off, on. Yeah, so it's different intensity. This is not so bad, but this one much brighter. So let's hope the light, you guys can see. So this is not going to be here. I'm giving this to my niece for her for Christmas. She doesn't watch this, so she won't know. But I put my serger on top, and this is the new sewing machine that I showed you guys the other day, and of course the power things. And I have an iron here, which is the best place I can put it for now. But I haven't filled it up yet, but as you can see, it did fit in this corner, so I'm super happy about that. I just have to clear that out. This situation needs to go. I haven't figured out. I have this extra lamp that I need to go, these pillows that I need to go somewhere. So in here is going to be a little bit more organized, but for so far I have storage space now, and I already put stuff in those. Not all of them, but 2 of them already have stuff in them. So but yeah, this is going to get organized and filled up. Alright guys, so that is round 1 of the cleanup and organizing. So I am going to continue tomorrow doing that, because I'm looking around. There's quite a few stuff I want to put away, and I have a lot of garbage that I need to dump. But tomorrow's a rainy day, so that's kind of suck a little bit, but that's okay. At least I'm getting this area organized, and I feel good about it, because I've been neglecting this area most of the year. So it's my time to, you know. So I'm going to get back to this because I'm enjoying it, and I'm going to read this for the rest of the night. And yeah, and I don't know if I'm going to be done by tomorrow. Probably tomorrow evening I'll be done with this, because I'm going to focus mostly on this tomorrow, and then clean up again. I'm on vacation, so I got time. So anyway guys, thanks for watching my mini organizing and building my shelf and all that good stuff today, and we are going to continue tomorrow with some more goodies. So I'll speak to you tomorrow.